They say, never judge a book by its cover, but your brain doesn't care. Because within just 7 seconds of seeing someone, you've already judged them. First impressions are automatic, powerful, and sometimes dangerously wrong. But why do we do this? And how can we control it? Welcome to the Global Psychological Society. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of first impressions, and what those first 7 seconds reveal about the human mind. When you meet someone for the first time, your brain lights up like a scanner. Within seconds, it analyzes their face, voice tone, body language, clothing, even scent. All of this goes straight to your amygdala, the emotional center of your brain, and instantly creates a gut feeling about that person. It's not always logical, but it's fast, because your survival once depended on it. In prehistoric times, knowing who to trust quickly meant life or death. Evolution trained us to judge fast. Even today, whether you're in a job interview, a date, or walking down a dark alley, your brain makes snap decisions to protect you. Studies show we form opinions on trustworthiness, intelligence, and competence in under 7 seconds. But here's the problem. We often confuse confidence with capability, beauty with kindness, style with success. This is called the halo effect. When one positive trait makes us assume other positive traits, even if they're not true. Researchers at Princeton University conducted a study where people were shown faces for just a fraction of a second. And even then, participants formed strong opinions about who looked honest, dominant, or likable. Even more shockingly, first impressions are hard to erase. Even if later evidence shows someone is different, your brain tends to stick to the original judgment. This creates cognitive bias, a psychological trap. So next time you meet someone, remember, you're not seeing who they really are, you're seeing what your brain thinks they are. But what about you? Can you control the first impression you give? Absolutely. Psychologists suggest 3 powerful tips. 1. Eye contact. It shows confidence and honesty. 2. Posture. Stand tall, open body language creates trust. 3. Genuine smile. The brain is wired to respond positively to real smiles. Dress smart, speak calmly, and above all, be authentic. Because while you can't control how people judge you, you can control the energy you give off in those first 7 seconds. Your brain is a powerful machine, fast, emotional, and sometimes flawed. First impressions aren't just psychology, they're survival instincts. But with awareness, we can overcome bias and see deeper into others, and ourselves. Thanks for watching the Global Psychological Society. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression.